A senior Zaoga pastor has been dismissed following allegations of multiple extramarital affairs with married female congregations as well as other acts of misconduct. Sambira mashoko atinoona kuti aiwa mapasta aiwa okuzayoja aiwa ofura hombe manje obatikidzwa zvake patinoona kuti abva afaiwa. Sambira mashoko atinoona panapa anobuda tuna vanhu vachichema-chema pamusoro pe this pastor aitora vanhukadzi vakadzi vanhu like out on the bell icon. The scandal deepened when another woman accused the overseer of sexual harassment, claiming he had sent her explicit nude photos. During questioning, the pastor reportedly confessed to his misdeeds, leading to his dismissal. However, the case has sparked outrage over the church as more allegations of misconduct surfaced. The overseer, who previously pastored at a city center church in Bulawayo, allegedly left a trail of misconduct. Several women, including widows, divorcees, and unmarried congregants, have come forward claiming he made inappropriate advances, including late-night visits and sending lewd photos. Despite these allegations, some cases were suppressed, reportedly due to his support from the then overseer in Bulawayo. A hearing was convened in Harare, during which substantial evidence was presented. This included a phone containing explicit photographs of the overseer and medical records indicating the use of medication for the treatment of sexually transmitted infections, STIs. Tomashoko atinoona kuti aiwa pana papasta pana kuzoita kutozodismisiwa nokuda kuti aiwa vaitora vakadzi vevanhu vachiitisa pamwechete nevadivorced pamwechete navo vachisikana vechidiki. Tonse mafunguro enyu matubi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pena comment section medu, so no subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.